How to use Vibrance in Photopia.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials in the channel, and let's get started. So Vibrance in Photopia, just like in Photoshop or any app, is a concept used for boosting or increasing the color vibrance of the image. So as you can see, we have this part of the image. It doesn't have any effects and the color vibrance here is very low. So if you want to increase the color vibrance here, we're gonna go and add a color vibrance adjustment layer. From here, go to this black and white circle in the bottom and click on it. This is the adjustment layers panel. This is the adjustment layers menu. Click on it and go to vibrance. Now a vibrance layer is added, and when we increase the vibrance from here, as you can see, the colors effect of an image increases, and if we decrease it, there is no color in the image, or the colors are very weak. Let's increase it. This is 100% vibrance. Here is the picture after the vibrance is added, and before and after. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.